Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Anaya Quran Academy. I am online Quran teacher and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. So if you want to learn Quran online at your home with live Quran classes, so you can contact us. And before starting our lesson, if you did not subscribe our channel, so please subscribe it and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you. So let's start our today's lesson. First I will read, so please listen very carefully and repeat after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. سورة العصر مكية. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So this surah is Makkiyah surah and it has 3 ayahs and 1 ruku. Wal asr. Wal asr. First, waw has fatha sign and then lam has sukun sign. So we will connect lam with waw, wal. Then ain has fatha sign and swad has sukun sign. Asr. So swad is a bold letter and we will make a heavy sound as. Next is ra with kasra sign. So when we stop here, we will skip kasra and will read ra with sukun sign. So when ra has sukun sign on it and the previous letter has also sukun sign and then before letter has fatha sign, so in this condition we will read ra with heavy sound. So that is a rule. If ra has sukun sign and then before letter has fatha or dhamma sign, so we will read ra in bold and heavy sound. Wal asr. And if we don't stop here and want to continue reading, then we will read ra with light sound because basically ra has kasra sign. So when ra has kasra sign, it means we will read ra with light sound, not bold. Like wal asri, wal asri. Okay, next ayah is innal insana lafi khusr. Innal insana lafi khusr. So here is noon with shadda sign. So it means we will make a gunna on noon like innal and we read noon with its real sound. Innal. Okay. Next is noon with sukun sign and after noon sakin the next letter is sin, which is one of the ikhfa letters. So it means we will make ikhfa sound here and we will hide the noon sound in our nose like insana. Innal insana lafi. Lam has fatha sign, so we don't stretch it. But next is ya madda, so we will stretch it. Lafi khusr. Ha is a bold letter, so we will read it with heavy sound. Khusr. Okay. Next is again ra with double kasra sign, but we are going to stop here. So we will read ra with sukun sign. Here again we will read Ra with heavy sound because previous letter has Sukun sign and then the letter before Seen has Dhamma sign. Khusr. Innal insana lafi khusr. Illa alladhina amanu wa amilus salihati وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. Here is Hamza with Kasra sign and Lam has Shadda sign. So we will connect Lam with Hamza. Again Lam has Shadda sign. So we will connect Lam with Lam. Illallazi. So here is Ya Madda. So it means we will stretch it. Illallazina amanu. We read Hamza with standing Fatha. So we will stretch it. Amanu. Again here is Waw Madda. So we stretch it. Wa'amilus. Waw has Fatha sign, Ain has Fatha and Mim has Kasra. So we don't stretch it because these are short vowels. And we will connect Lam directly with Swad because Swad has Shadda sign. And we don't stretch Waw because here is no Waw Madda. Wa'amilus salihati. We will read Swad with heavy sound because Swad is a bold letter and also we stretch it because it has standing Fatha. Ha has also standing Fatha sign, so we stretch it. Salihati Watawa. Again here is Alif Madda, so we stretch it. Watawa Saw. Here is Waw lean, so we read softly. Bil haqqi Watawa Saw bis sabr. Here Ba has Sukun sign, so we will make Qalqala on Ba. And Swad we read it with heavy sound. And again Ra has Kasra sign, but we are going to stop here. That's why we read Ra with heavy sound. Illalladhina amanu wa'amilus salihati watawasaw bil haqqi watawasaw bis sabr. Our surah is completed here. Now I will read it again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal asri innal insana lafi khusr. Illa alladhina amanu wa amilus salihati wa tawasaw bil haqq. وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. Sadaqallahul Azim. Our surah is completed. So please listen this surah again and again and try to practice it. And if you have any question, you can ask in comment section and we will give you quick answer inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.